What's good, y'all niggas? We back with another video for your laws of power analysis series. Let's get into it. We're gonna be talking about law number 18, and it's basically talking about never be isolated. Never be in isolation. I One must not I mean, of course, like, you know what I'm saying? It's cool to say, like, you know what I'm saying? I made it to the top without nobody helping me. I made it to the top by myself only. It's all fun and games, but, like, that only happens so rarely. You need to understand that isolation is extremely dangerous. Because, look, one must not isolate themselves as this makes them an easy target. Because with isolation comes uncertainty. You do not know if people are planning against you or you know what I'm saying. And if they are, you cannot plan counterattacks until the attack actually happens. So that means you will always be on the fucking reactive side. You will always be reactive. You will never be proactive. You know what I'm saying? This is why the great people are not isolated. It looks like they're isolated, but they have friends, friend groups that are up to them. You know what I'm saying? Like before Kobe died, LeBron after he retired, LeBron and Kobe were friends after Kobe died, after Kobe retired because they were not competition anymore. So they can afford it to chill and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because you know what I'm saying? That's the reason why. And right, you always be reactive. You have to be proactive, right? You must always be in a social circle, right? But listen, you always gotta take the time to isolate yourself. I know it's dangerous, but you know what I'm saying? Isolation creates what we call perspective. You know what I'm saying? Like in the group, feelings of the group can easily overwhelm you to do some bullshit, you know what I'm saying? That's why peer pressure is a problem. That's why there's some good peer pressure and bad peer pressure. But then when you isolate yourself, you only have your thoughts to think, only have your thoughts and your opinions. And then when you know each perspective, and you can know, okay, this is what I need to do. And then you just start up, right? You'll actually understand what plans are arising and how to counter them when they're still in the development stages, right? Alright, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Got a free ebook, The Blueprint to Success. If you want it, you can check on Amazon, or if you want, you can comment down below The Blueprint to Success and your email, and I can send it to you. No strings attached, no nothing. Yeah, holla back at your boy, and never fucking stop grinding. Shit.